once again. But this time, no more Kashito. Because Kashito, well, buy some ingredients, I guess. And then he never came back once again. So now, I am going to do cooking with Laundry Samurai. But unfortunately, I don't know how to cook. I only do laundry. So, nah, forget about cooking. Let's do with Laundry Samurai.
What did you say?
Oh, I'm so sorry. But, okay. Sorry, Master. Sheesh.
You're good.
But I don't know how to cook though.
I know. You're very, very bad. I'm gonna teach you how to make mac and cheese. Like smack and cheese. Okay?
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. First up, we're gonna boil some water. So, we're gonna put water in this pot. We're using this puset. Make sure this is fully full. Now, we're gonna close it. And now we're going to this. Oh.
Stop it. Get some help.
Now, we
Oh, brother, this guy stinks!
Whoa, that's unique right here.
Now, that's an handle for.
Handle fork.
Yes, that's an Asian. This is made from 1941, 1917, and World War III.
I see. Never expected something like this before. Nice creativity. Even though I already saw that from the life hacks though. Okay, what's next, Master Sheesh?
Now, did you see the water is boiling?
I can't see shits though.
And now we put these two macaroni in this boiling water. I'm not done like you. You're touching this with handle without this. What? Water. Ah.
Well, that's very interesting.
Water must kayo na dati.
Future Kashito, if you can translate this shit of what Master Sheesh says, please translate it. I don't know shit about what he's saying.
Okay, master.
I don't know about that.
To prepare the sticky macaroni.
Oh, right.
Then put our salt.
I don't know if Italians gonna see this, but okay.
This is Italian style.
Right.
Where's that? Yeah. And then we mix it.
What are we going to mix?
With this spatula.
Alright. I mean, let's not forget about the pasta water, you know?
No more pasta water.
But you said Italian style.
It is a style with Italian. You son of a bitch.
Okay. Italians, if you're watching this, please Don't sue me or don't.
Now, let's take a taste. Now, ladies first.
No thanks.
Taste it.
No. No.
Daddy, chill.
Now the macaroni is boiling. Now it's so tender and sweet. Now we're gonna steam it wet. Much way. Like that cheese.
Oh, it hurts my ear. Ah!
Now we put the pan in here and use this. This is not sponsored, by the way. Now, this.
Damn, that's really horrifying. I like that milk. Is it? Where's that milk coming from, Master Sheesh? Oh no! Don't tell me. No! Why?
You want some taste?
Sure. Never expect the taste was so good.
By the way, that's mine.
Soon after.
Now, as you can see, we're putting this macaroni to my meal.
I can't believe I've been traumatizing about your milk.
But it's delicious though, you see.
Yeah, it does, but you don't have to remind me that it was yours.
Next time, don't eat my food.
But you forced me to record this though.
Now we're gonna off this. Now we're gonna put this in here. In bowl. The glass bowl. The bowl. Now you can smell it.
I cannot smell it. Oh no, not this sounds again. The sound.
That one's so horrifying. If you're not liking this video, please not subscribe.
Kashito gonna kill me for this. What? Wait, why? You haven't cooked this yet.
This is cooked, you dummy.
Huh?
We're gonna mix this up.
Marve, please be. Sorry, Master Sheesh, please be careful.
Why?
Well, some of the macaronis have fell off. They're just wasting food.
No, that's still alive.
Then pick it up and eat it.
No.
Especially this one right over there.
Me. This. My special cheese nuts.
It's called chismes.
Yeah, you like chismes? I will gonna turn you in this. Cheese powder chismes.
There you go.
So no marites around.
Right. That's right, everyone. kinda good. The Master Sheesh? Actually not. Nothing. It's good.
Okay.
Help me.
Macaroni in my kitchen pot with kismis cheese inside. And put the lucky 7 corn beef. And mix it in a big bowl. And we gonna put it in cheese. To make it cheesier. Don't try this at home, okay?
Okay. I mean, I'm not doing the cooking, but I'm only doing some laundry stuff. That's all I do.
That's why I make you my cameraman.
Right.
Yeah. You want some cheese?
Sure, I guess.
Now eat this boy.
Oh, no, I'll change my mind.
Oh, you want that one? No, not this. Not this one. This is the big. I'm gonna use this. Aya! Ama!
Well, I hope it's gonna be clean for this one, Master Sheesh.
Yes, it's clean.
Alright, that's good.
Here, take this.
No thank you.
Eat it.
Okay.
So what is it?
Well, it's kinda right. Actually not.
What?
Nothing.
Okay.
Okay. You okay?
Yes.
Alright. Does look good, I guess.
Mac and ouch.
Mac and ouch?
No! Mac and cheese.
Alright, mac and cheese. Not mac and ouchies?
No.
Alright.
Now, that is a mac and cheese.
Yay!
You have to taste it.
Right guys, I need some milk here. Masterchef got his advice for the Coke, but the problem is there's milk right here. It was good, but There's something wrong about this ingredients, and I don't like it though. Please help me out right now. Call 911. Just dial 694. Okay. Is this enough?
No,
This?
no. You must do what you do.
Okay. Here I go. Good.
Yeah.
I'm going to rate this, and in my honest opinion, a 9 out of 10. Alright, fine. 9.5?
Okay.
Alright, good. Yeah, that's pretty much it. And hopefully Kashito will come in here. So please make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up and subscribe. Here's to you all. Sayonara. Arigato.
Yeah.